All right, fire batons, you want me to spin those? Well, I got something cool to share with you guys, all right? So the things that we spin on fire, Samoan Fireknife, is actually not a baton, all right? This is what it looks like. As you see, it has a blade. Yeah, also has a hook on it. And this is actually what we spin on fire. But for safety purposes, this is all CGI, okay? It's not real. It's not a real blade. It's not a real hook. And it most definitely is not real fire, all right? Spin, 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 spin. Here we go. Ha! Two. Woo! Two. Woo.